With over 55 years of experience, SMM aims to become the leading logistics solution company in the transportation industry. Our solutions based on maximizing utility with eco-friendly and energy efficiency to answer the various needs of our clients. State-of-the-art manufacturing, precision with world-class standard to ensure high-quality products. At SMM, we are committed to providing you with the highest safety standards and unsurpassed product quality that lasts. Backed by innovations that drive all aspects of our modern manufacturing facilities.